this because we didn't talk about lock and dam. The lock and dam is the number one issue in this community, and we've got to fix it. We filed a lawsuit Friday, and I've been a part of the meetings as Mayor Pro Tem this year, and let me just tell you, the Corps is ridiculous to work with, and they have basically, they're going to do what they want to do. And as a community, we had to step up and get into the litigation aspect because we had to have a seat at the table. But I don't feel confident in how this is going to end for Augusta. It's going to drop our river. Right now, a 2.6D would probably drop it 3 to 4 feet. A 2.6A, maybe 13 inches. But 2.6A, we got to find more money. And it's important that as the leaders, we stay on top of this issue and educate the public because it is the biggest issue to face this community, probably in the history of this community, because of what water does. Whether it's the Iron Man, whether it's the all the industries that need the water, whether it's the living,
Boating.
Yeah, exactly.